Hello, welcome back to the Rusty Blades Barber. So, this video I'm going to try and get one of my fellow students to see if she'll do a fade on me. I haven't asked her yet, so I'm going to give her a call. Hopefully she'll say yeah, but don't hold me to that. She's never done a fade before, so stay tuned and I'll catch her in a minute. Right guys, so I tried ringing Charlotte. Unfortunately there was no answer, so I'm not sure if she's going to be up for doing it or not. You'll just have to stay tuned. Fingers crossed she will do, and I'll catch her in a bit. There we go.
Hello.
Can't believe how much grey there is in here.
How's that temperature?
That's fine, yeah. So here we are, relaxing away.
Would you like a head massage? Right, okay. And you use the pads of your fingers. Shake it all the way. Okay, yeah. So that's that, and then you take them on the...
I want 2 shampoos.
You're fucking awkward, Clyde, so...
Hey, I don't get this done that often. I want to make full. I want to get pampered.
This water's quite temperamental. By the time I finished getting myself all worked up when I got back to work, I had no makeup left. I thought, they won't notice I put my makeup back on.
Fucking rope.
Cut dark hair because you can see it.
Are you quite happy there? You know what you're doing?
Yeah. Well, no, I don't know what I'm doing, but you know.
This could go anywhere.
Damn it, Tito. Another
There we go.
The thing is as well, my hair is so straight. You know, it just sticks out straight. You know what I mean?
But make sure to catch your product on the Are you alright? Are you going to go on file, Scarlett?
Did you watch it, Pam?
What?
With vlog for last Tuesday.
No, I don't know.
Oh, don't you?
No, Steve, you're talking to me. I need to hear. How do I get to see stuff?
Can't you put YouTube on there?
Like letters. They've blocked it a few years ago.
Oh, no.
And Beth's finished on there. Before we go tonight, so I just go on YouTube?
Yeah, just on
And
YouTube.
then what am I putting in search?
If you just put Rusty Blades Barber.
What?
Rusty Blades Barber.
Rusty Blaze, Barber.
Yeah.
Oh, not Steve Sutcliffe then.
No.
I'll look. I know how to get onto YouTube. Rusty Blaze, Barber. do that front bit after.
Are you doing his beard as well?
Yeah, you can trim the beard, so might as well.
Get a shower.
I'm just gonna do it and then you can critique
Are
it
you
after.
chief cameraman, Pete?
Yeah, something like that.
What do you do? Do you edit them then?
Yeah, I'll edit it down. Yeah, I might just leave it as it is though. Like,
Well, there'll be bits of it where I'll speed it up and that.
Put music over it so you don't hear everybody's talking.
In a few years' time when he's get famous, we'll all be saying, you went
Yeah. You can say I trained him.
I could be like, my cut is there, look, that's me, I'm famous.
He didn't need a lot of training. I already had an idea what he was doing.
Well, we've already said 3 of us are going to open a barber shop, aren't we?
Well, yeah, Steve doesn't know this yet. But
Yeah, yeah.
we're gonna open our own barbers. You're gonna be the one that does all the...
We're all going to do cutting like, but you're
You're gonna do all the, like, marketing for us. You're really good on
on
that.
social media.
Tim's gonna bring in loads of cakes for us to get them picked into the cart. And I'm gonna decorate out the salon because I like doing the interiors live. So I'm sorry if that's not your fancy, but that's
that's
happening.
what's happening.
My beautiful curtains. Here. Oh.
Yeah.
That level. No. Higher. I'm going higher on this side, aren't I?
Yeah. Your finger in,
Yeah.
and then go to where your finger is.
Like that.
Yeah,
And I'm doing this all the way round.
yeah. So if you go round,
Yeah.
as you come round, drop it down, just underneath your occipital bone.
Right, 1 minute, let me...
You can feel like the ridge on the back of his head.
Yeah. We haven't got any...
Just be careful, Karen, you're getting it a bit closely in place. Right, so use the do we use it to remove spirit level? Okay. Now spirit level works.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you happy with that?
I need some detailers.
So you can hear it, can't you, just slightly cutting?
Yeah. And I'm literally on the line, but just underneath.
Yeah,
that
just
line.
underneath it, yeah. what I'm looking at side here, it looks alright. For your first attempt at a fade, I think it's looking.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
These I'm actually quite impressed with this journal.
You've done really well. So you've never done one before? I must admit though, I think I've done a good job telling you.
I've done a bloody good job following you. Right, what do I do now?
So, tell you what, Charlotte, don't look bad, that.
Really?
Yeah. I'll wear that. Put it this way, I'm not going to want to shave it.
I'm actually YouTube channel famous. Were you going to see if I did a really shit job first? You were, weren't you?
No, do you know what? I knew you'd do an alright job.
Did you have faith in me when I didn't have faith in myself, Steve?
Yeah. Because I was showing you.
You bastard.